I'm at the Lawrence Woods Nature Preserve, and I started to come down here and hike, and then it started raining. I guess we're gonna get some freezing rain, and I'm kind of driving towards it right now, so I might end up getting into the snow. I don't know, but I went back and just got my rain jacket, so I ain't gonna let this rain stop me. I drove past this place a lot, and I've been here once and I don't think I filmed it, but I'm gonna hike that today. It's just I don't remember the whole thing, but it starts out with this boardwalk. I think it's about, it says 1.2 miles, so let's go check that out. There's a pond over here behind me, and maybe I'll get the drone up and get a shot of that later. And then they have these points of interest here, and I'm at number 1. Not exactly sure what it's supposed to be, but here's this sign right here by it. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the boardwalk here. I was gonna maybe walk over to that pond, but that sign was saying there's a lot of this is like a sensitive area, and you can pause it and read the sign if you want, but it was kind of saying it was a woods with lots of endangered species and stuff here. And then right here they got a tree graffiti, and then that's how they destroyed the tree, carving their initials in it. The rain's starting to pick up a little now, but it's still just like a sprinkle. It's not too bad to where I'm getting soaking wet. But I guess there's a, this is during that, you probably all heard about the train of storms coming through. This is the beginning of that. So it's supposed to be storm after storm, and I guess where I'm at, it's kind of at the bottom. It's more up in Michigan and up north, but I'm heading north right now in Ohio. So I'm kind of going towards it, so I don't know how far I'll get into it, but I'm not going too far north, so maybe it'll just be rain most of the time. It's coming down a little harder now, so I'm kind of rushing around to get back to the van before it starts raining any harder. This jacket works great. I'm staying dry when my pants and shoes are getting wet. So I'm heading back to the van. I was gonna skip this, the observation deck out here, but it's not too far down here, and I'm already wet anyway, so why not? I'm heading down there now. Check that out. That's pretty cool how it iced over and now the rain's on top of the ice. Here comes the thunder. I don't know if you heard that or not. Alright, I just heard the thunder, so it's probably time to get out of here and get back to the van. I just heard a big thunder go, and then now it looks like it's getting brighter. So I don't know if that's like right before the storm, you know, the calm before the storm. And it feels like I can't see it, but it feels like I got ice hanging off my hood. It's supposed to be freezing rain, and I'm looking here at the path. It doesn't feel like ice, but it kind of looks like it's kind of freezing, but not really sticking to it. And now, I mean, the sun's not out, but it just feels brighter all of a sudden, more than it was when I started. I don't know if you can hear the thunder. I started talking right when it did it, so hopefully I didn't talk over it. I'm coming back to the intersection now. I just completed that loop. And right up here to the left, that's the way back to the parking lot. I made it back to the van. My pants are soaking wet. My shoes and socks are soaked, but ice in my beard. And then that's how it's raining now. I walked a little bit in that, but about the time I got in the van, that's about when it really started coming down a little more. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that hike. It was nice to get out and walk around for a little bit. I'm gonna continue on north and continue to my next adventure. Thanks for watching.
Highways traveler.